Here's your chance to start a business with over 3,000 products, which you can start selling right away because every product includes a private label or master resale license. Our database consists of more than 2,000 ebooks, 500 software and scripts, 400 videos, hundreds of graphics, articles, tutorials, and there's much more for you to explore. If you want to make some serious cash, here is your chance. What do these licenses mean to you? When you have a resale rights license, you will have the right to sell back that product to your customers. It's like opening your own store on the web. With a master resale rights license, not only can you resell that particular product to your customers, but the most important of all, you can also give your customers the rights to sell it again to their customers. The statistics show that this option will increase the conversion rate of the product up to 800%. This is like being a national car dealer. We make no fake promises. Take control over your business with the lowest ratio of risk involved. Our goal is to make you successful. Don't focus on how to spend less money. Focus on how to make more money. Don't miss the offer. Sign up now. Enjoy your money-making solutions at theindigitalworks.com.